Alright, this is Steve with Apex Home Inspections, and today is Tuesday, July 3rd, 2018, and we are at 420 Northeast 133rd Avenue in Portland. And we're here today to do an inspection of the sewer line. As you can see, we're outside the home. At the front, this is our front porch over here, and our sewer line access point, or our clean out, is here in the ground. Black ABS plastic pipe, just a few feet off the front of the house. Let's go ahead and drop our camera in there and see if we can't get things pointed in the right direction. And there we are. Now we're going to go ahead and zero off our counter in the upper right hand corner of our screen. And we'll begin our inspection. A couple of quick notes about today's sewer scope, and the first one is this home was built in 1955, and we're in a neighborhood of homes that were built at mixed times, some of them a few years older and some appear to be a few years newer, but nonetheless we mention this because it gives us an idea of what kind of material we should expect to see. Currently we're inside of a 4-inch black ABS plastic line. A couple of things about this ABS line. This home in 1955 would have had a cesspool out behind the home. There's still clean out at the back of the house, which is where that was. But at some point in the life of the house, it was converted to city sewer, and that's usually out in these parts around the early 90s. Here at about 24 feet into the inspection, we are transitioning from this ABS to a green plastic. This is known as 3034 PVC. Let me pull back here for just a moment. You notice that the pipe itself is actually compressed at the top. But we'll probably take a moment and locate this in the yard just so we know where it's at. There's a pretty good drop down into this PVC. I have a little bit of water running in the kitchen sink, but I'm going to turn that up so that we have a better visual of what's going on in the pipe. Alright, now we can see a little bit of water on the floor of the pipe. That's at the top of the screen. We'll go ahead and continue. Now, the reason we run water during these inspections are mostly so that we can see the slope of the pipe. Occasionally, we can't see that without running a little bit of water at the same time. And by watching the water and seeing how it behaves, gives us a pretty good idea as to how the pipe is sloped. Alright, here at 46 feet into the inspection, we have reached the city main. Generally speaking, these inspections run from the clean out to the main. And we've done that here, so I'm going to go ahead and close out the video now. I do want to mention that there was that compressed fitting, or transition rather, at 24 feet where we went from black ABS to green 3034 PVC. I'm going to locate that in the yard. And I'm going to mention that in the report, just in case there's a need for a repair there. A couple other quick notes. There is a pool house with a sink and a toilet. And I do not know where that is connected up to this line. I didn't see a spot where it would have been. So I'm going to go ahead and close the video out now, but I am going to spend a little time in the line and run some water elsewhere to see if we can figure out where that's draining into. More than likely, we're going to want to find out if that was permitted and if that was installed properly. But for this video, that'll be it for now. Thank you very much.